Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best grab now for cozy fires that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Champion Power Equipment 27-ton splitter. If you have large logs to split and want the most powerful tool for the job, look no further than our best overall pick, the Champion Power Equipment 27-ton splitter. It easily and quickly splits logs, even ones that are 100 pounds. With a full beam to support the entire length of the log, as well as side catchers to keep the log steady, you'll find the experience of splitting firewood easy and safe. The Champion Power Equipment 27-ton splitter has an impressive 11-second cycle time and can carry out 300 cycles per hour. That's a whole lot of firewood chopped. The splitter is small enough to fit into the bed of a truck and can be towed, too, as long as you're driving under 45 miles per hour. Moving on at number 4, we have the Yardmax 9-ton electric log splitter. If you live in a cold winter area and love to keep your fireplace well stocked with wood, you'll appreciate the Yardmax 9-ton electric log splitter. It's fairly quiet, plugs into a standard outlet, and requires no assembly. It lacks the power of our overall best recommendation, but it's surprisingly capable and durable. We think this compact electric splitter is a great option for smaller logs. It can handle logs up to 20 inches in length and 12 inches in diameter, which is about the average size for splitting wood at home for firewood. With 9 tons of splitting power and a cycle time of 14 to 23 seconds, you can split just about any type of log, whether hard or soft wood, with this splitter. It has 2 speeds: slow, for when you need more force to split harder wood, and fast, for when the wood is softer. At number 3, we have the Swisher 22-ton electric log splitter Eco Split LS22E. This splitter reaps all the benefits of an electric splitter: more environmentally friendly, less fumes and fuel, and a quieter run, while also being remarkably powerful. It has almost as much driving force as our overall best recommendation. With 22 tons of splitting power, this beast tackles logs as big as 25 inches in length and 15 inches in diameter. That's much larger than the typical electric log splitter. It actually can handle larger logs than our overall best recommendation, although that one does have more tons of splitting power and doesn't struggle as much with thick hardwoods. This splitter has other features rarely found in electric models, including a 2-inch ball coupler for towing behind your car. It can also split logs horizontally or in a vertical position, and it has cradles to keep the log firmly in place while you work. At number 2, we have the Wen 6.5-ton electric log splitter. This easy-to-operate log splitter might not be the biggest, but it can certainly hold its own. Its powerful motor provides over 13,000 pounds of pressure to split logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches in length. The side support wings hold your log firmly in place, so no sliding while you cut. Plus, the 5.5-inch wheels make it easy to transport the log splitter right where you want it. Since this is an electric splitter, there aren't any smelly gas fumes, and it's also easier to start and maintain than a gas model. If that sounds good, and you don't need the stand, our best pick for small logs is slightly more powerful while also having all the advantages of electric operation. And finally at number 1, we have the Fiskars Pro IsoCore Wood Splitting Maul. If you prefer to split wood the old-fashioned way, with an axe, then you'll need fairly good upper body strength along with a reliable and heavy axe. And the Fiskars Pro IsoCore Wood Splitting Maul is just the axe for the job. Log splitting axes, often called splitting mauls, are a specialized type of axe that generally have a wedge-shaped cutting head to maximize the splitting force, but this option takes it a step further. It has both a splitting face and a driving face, perfect for driving wedges or striking with a mallet to add force to your splitting efforts.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.